Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, inshallah, we are going to explain the puppet animation. Puppet animation is a technique usually we use to create an interactive animation to manipulate the shapes, images, and other contents inside a software like Animate. You can find the puppet animation tools not only in Animate, you can find them also in software like After Effects. And we will learn how to use it on different objects. First of all, let me create, for example, a line like this by using the selection tool. I'm going to select this line, increase the stroke, and then here I have a tool called Asset Warp tool. That's the tool we use to create a puppet animation. This tool adds a pins on any shape or object we create, and then we can use these pins to animate the shape. Let us click on the asset warp. Then I can click here. For example, like this. And then I can go back. Here I need to open the frames, insert blank frames. For example, at frame 5. By using the asset warp itself, I can create an animation. For example, I can move it here. I can move this back. And this back also. Like this at frame 10. And move it here. At frame 15, for example, we can move it here. And then like this. At frame 25, I'm going to move it here. At frame 25, I can move it here. And now I need to add a classic tree. Let me add on the plane. Auto arrow loop. I created an animation for this line by using the asset warp. Of course, I can make it more smooth, but I need to focus more. I need to add more keyframes. But I'm not going to spend much time on animating a line. Let us try something else. For example, a flag, import to stage, flag. Here I'm going to add some bins like this. And here I can add some bins. As you say, this will be the route for the bins I created. I added more than one here to make this area stay. I don't want to create any animation at this area. Here at 25, I can start the animation. at frame 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's add classic tween. This is how we use the puppet animation or asset warp on an images. Let us try something else. For example, let us create simple character by using the line. Here I need to put this frame at the beginning. Also, I need to select all these parts, and then I'm going to click on create object to convert these shapes to object. And then I can use the puppet or asset warp. Usually with character, the route for the character is the hips. So let us start from the hips. Let us create the elbow. Here the hand. And here. We want to stop creating. One click. And then we can start from another place. Here one click to create. And then another click to stop adding some pins. Here at frame 5, I can move the arm like this, and this arm like this. I can rotate the head a little. I can move the like this. At frame 10, 15, 20, 25. Add classic tween. Let's play now. This is a simple animation for a character by using the asset warp. Well, this is in a brief how we can use the asset warp. Of course, we can use it in more professional way with a little focusing, with adding an extra keys and extra pins. We can create an attractive, a smooth animation. That's it for today, and thank you.